Hello everyone. In this video, I will give you some words and phrases that you can use in conversation. Let's start with a bunch of greetings. The first one, which is most common, say hi or hello, good morning, or sometimes they say morning, good afternoon, good evening. When someone say good morning, you have to say good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon is used from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's before the sun goes down. Let's move to other greetings, like how are you? Or how are you doing? Or how's it going? How is it going mean how's life going? So here you say, I'm fine, I'm good, or I'm pretty good. Or we say, not bad. So, hello, how are you doing? Say, I'm fine. And here you have to ask the same question. How about you? I'm good. I'm fine, like this. And now let's move into another bunch of greeting that is used with friends or with relatives or with people you know, such as what's up? Hey, what's up? What's up here means what are you doing today? I'm gonna have dinner with my friends. What's new? What's new is informal greeting. What's new? Say, I'm having a new job. That's all for today. See you then. Goodbye.